Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys number one choice for diesel vehicles. This is number one choice filter. And why is it number one choice? Well, the way the filters are designed, you can't really put a metal a wrench strap because you're gonna damage when you install. When you're removing, yeah, it's not a big deal. However, when you're removing a diesel fuel filter, you need to have a good grip. And by the way, this brand, you don't go by this brand, you go by this design, because one company makes this type of filters, wrenches, strap, but different labels. So one company makes them, but then they are being sold on a different company, and it's number one seller too, by the way. You can use oil filters, pipes repairs, home use, lifetime warranty, right there. What makes it its best, number one choice, non-slip rubber strap, flexible. There you can see, it works. When you have a filter like this, fuel filter like this one, well, you can put like a oil filter canister, not a canister that wraps around it, because you have a sensor here, or if you remove the sensor, this portion is kind of, raised. So what do? How do you remove, especially in a tight spaces like some truck manufacturers have it? Well, this right here. You put it on, tighten it, and you go, and it grips, and it just wraps around. No damage. If you want to remove used one, you're not gonna damage. You're not gonna spill fuel all over yourself. Or if you want to install a new one, makes it so much easier. This is the best filter wrench money can buy, and it's affordable. You don't have to spend $50. You can buy this set and do all the filters on your vehicle, on your diesel truck or your gas trucks, whatever the case may be. Of course, this type of filter wrench is not going to work on some vehicles where you have not enough space to wrap around. You need something just that attaches just to the edge of the filter. But for diesel vehicles, this is a perfect combination. Oil filter, fuel filter. You buy it once and you're good for many years. And there will be a link in my video where you can buy it. So share your experience with this or any other brands. Drop a comment. What worked for you the best over the years, Thank you, and have an awesome day.